Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As you know that we are learning trigonometric functions. In this lecture, we will be discussing trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. But before going to these formulae, we will highlight here some results, some important points that will be used in those formulae. For example, you have sine of some negative angle. What is that? That's minus times sine of x. I would like to highlight it here that this is actually the measurement of the angle in the clockwise direction. You know, whenever the angle is measured, that's measured in the anti-clockwise direction. So in the anti-clockwise direction, the measured angle is always taken as positive. However, if we measure the angle in the clockwise direction, that is negative. So this is actually the measurement in the clockwise direction. So this is sine of minus x. Sine of minus x. Minus x is actually the measurement of the angle in the clockwise direction. So what is, when sine is operated on that, what is that? It's actually, if we take the angle in the, say, fourth quadrant, because in the clockwise direction you will first of all from the 0 degree, if you will go down, you will be in the fourth quadrant, and in that quadrant, you know, sine is always times negative. So this is sine of minus x is equal to minus times sine of x. But the story is different for the cos. That's cos of minus x is equal to cos of x. So now we will be highlighting those results, the main results of this topic. That is, for example, you have cos of x plus y, that's equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. The proof is given on the book, and it is not any hard task to do, and even this may not be asked in your exams. However, if you will you want to go through this proof, you can, and if you have any confusion or question, you can ask. On the same lines, if you have cos of x minus y, that's when cos is operated on the difference of two angles, that's equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. And if you have sine of x minus y, that is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Similarly, if you have sine of x plus y, that is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. That's here, formula number 7. But in between these formulae, we have also some more identities, and those are identities you may have gone through, but still we will highlight them here. For example, you have cos of 90 minus x, and you know from your class 10th, that is, it is actually the concept of the cofunctions. Cos of 90 minus x is equal to sin x, and sin of 90 minus x is equal to cos x. So function changes into its cofunction when in the angle you have an odd multiply pi by 2. Here it's 1 multiply pi by 2. So it is sine changes into its cofunction. The proof is very simple from the identities above, and that's given here. You can see some more formulae. Say cos of 90 plus x, it goes in the second quadrant. Okay, in second quadrant cos is negative, so it is minus sign here, and it is cos changes into its cofunction, that is sine. Similarly, these, you please go through these formulae also. So these are very important formulae. For the tan, we have tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. And for the difference, you have tan of x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. And next is for the cot of x plus y, that is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Okay, cot of x minus y is cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot of y minus cot x. Now, after these results, we are now in a position to write the expansion for double angle. For example, if in the summation you have in the x cos operates on x plus y, if x and y are both equal, so y is equal to x, then that becomes cos of 2x. So if that is cos of 2x, you see the formula changes into cos square x minus sine square x. Its next expansion is twice cos square x minus 1. Next expansion is 1 minus twice sine square x. Next expansion is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So the derivation is here. Similarly, sine 2x is equal to twice sine x cos x, twice tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Tan 2x is equal to twice tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. And now after that we have triple angle formulae. So what are they? For sine, we have sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. For cos, we have cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. And for tan, we have tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus 4 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, and we have some more formulae. So the earlier formulae were based on sine operates on the sum of two angles. Now here the story is different. You have uh, cos of x plus cos of y, that's equal to twice cos of x plus y. It's actually the sum into product. These formulae are for the conversion of sum into product. So cos of x plus cos of y is equal to twice cos of x plus y divided by 2 into cos of x minus y divided by 2. And the next is cos of x minus y, that's minus twice sine of x plus y divided by 2 sine of x minus y divided by 2. So the proof is based on the above formula. And the next one is sine x plus sine y, that's twice sine of x plus y divided by 2 cos of x minus y divided by 2. And next one is sine x minus sine y, that's twice cos of x plus y divided by 2 sine of x minus y divided by 2. These formulae, you may call them conversion of sum and difference into product. Next set of formulae is conversion of product into sum and difference. So they are like this: twice cos of x cos of y, that is cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Next is minus twice sine x sine y, that is cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. Next one is twice sine of x cos of y, that's sine of x plus y plus sine of x minus y. Next one is twice cos x sine y, that is sine of x plus y minus sine of x minus y. Okay, so these are some important formulae, and with the help of these formulae, we can solve many questions. And I hope that you have gone through this formulae. And I would like to tell you that you enlist all these formulae on your formulae notebook, and try to uh, have an analogy between the formulae in order to remember them, to use them in the exercises. If you have any question or query in understanding the proof of any formula, you may please write in the comment section. I will try my level best to solve your queries. Thank you for joining the class.